The hotel industry has a golden opportunity to improve guest experiences and increase revenue with crypto payments. As an industry catering to international clientele, offering crypto payments eliminates obstacles and can significantly simplify the booking process for guests. With no need for bank approvals and zero conversion fees, crypto payments are seamless and instant. Accepting crypto increases service speed and cuts hotel operational costs. Embracing cryptocurrency payments is more than just adopting a growing trend. It's setting a new standard for global hospitality, making travel simpler and more accessible. After signing up for ForumPay, you can grow your business by accepting crypto payments in 3 easy steps. 1. Your customer pays directly from their crypto wallet by scanning the ForumPay-generated QR code. 2. ForumPay instantly converts the crypto to cash. 3. At the end of each business day, the funds are settled into your bank account. It's that simple. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your guest experience by visiting forumpay.com today.